Okay, so now that we finished part one, let's do our class exercise. So if you go to the class exercise, you can follow along. Okay, we need to produce this so we can use it for part two of Google Sheets. All right, so what we need to do, let's go to our drive. I'm going to create a new sheet. Let's go to new. Again, it just lets me know that I have permissions in this folder. Okay, let's start by renaming this. So I call this class exercise. All right, so that's part one. And I want to rename the tab to functions, so let's double click. Rename it functions. So it looks like I want to enter ID, I want to enter name, ID, test 1, homework 1, test 2, homework 2, final exam, and class grade. I messed up though. It looks like I need to do an A2 to H2, so I'm going to highlight all this. I'm going to get my glove and bring it down. Okay, so now it's from A2 to H2. Now it looks like I need to merge C1 and D1, so let's click that and merge, and enter quarter 1. And then let's merge E1 and F1, quarter 2. Under our names, I like everything to be center aligned, so even though it doesn't really say, I want this all to be center. I like my headers to be bold. Okay, so under names, we need Jack, we need Sue, we need Mike, Jenny, Alice, Joe. Okay, so we have 6 names. Let's do IDs. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For test 1, let's enter 85, 78, 78, 94, 92, 88. For homework 1, let's do 90, 95, 90, 100, 95, and 90. Okay, test 2, do 89, 82, 85, 95, 94, 90. Homework 2, let's do 85, 90, 80, 75, 85, and 80. So final exam, let's enter all 90s. So I'll do 90. I'll just drag. I want to border cells C1 through F1. So C1 through F1. I'll do a border. Then I want to border C2 to H8. I'll border all those. And there we go. Okay, so that's the first sheet functions. Now let's add another sheet named groups seating. So let's do a plus. Double click. Groups seating. Let's do ID, test, and name. And A1 to C1. ID, test, and name. Again, I just like center align. So I'll center align all those. Make my headers bold. Oh, looks like test 1 instead of test. Test 1. And the name. Okay, I need a third sheet. So let's do plus. This one is going to be called grading. Okay, now A1 to D1, I want name. I want Q1, 2 times 2. I want Q2, 2 times 3. I want Q3, sky. And I'll center align all this. And I'll make my headers bold. Okay, under name, I want all 6 of my names. I'm not going to retype them. I'll go to function. I'll copy. And then I'll paste. Okay. Get rid of the borders. Right, so I didn't have to type all that stuff in again. Now under Q1, I'll do 4, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Q2, I'll do 3, 5, 3 6s. For this, I'll do 4 blues and 2 whites. So blue. And since I have a few of these, I'll just copy them. White. And then I'll just drag. Okay. That doesn't say anything about borders, but I like borders. Okay, I need a fourth sheet called flashcards. Plus. So flashcards. So I want question and answer, and A1 and B1. Question, answer. Again, I'll center a line. I like my headers to be bold. So let's do 2 times 2, 2 times 3. This is a very, very long question. Okay, I'm going to change this to left align just so I can see all the text. Okay, in the answers, let's do 4, 6, and yes it is. So 4, 6, yes it is. So hit enter, and then that's it. So we do those 4. So that's our class activity.